How to transfer money from Forex Royale app to bank account. The first things first, before we dig deep into that specific title, I'd like to explain to you guys what this application can do. Forex Royale application is actually an auto prediction application, which basically means that all the specific funds that you have from this game is actually fake. And you cannot also key in or adding real money in it. This application is only good for practice and no real money or crypto involved while using this application, which actually falls down that you cannot connect or link any bank account to this game. So I'm not going to be sugarcoating everything here. Forex Royale application is actually an auto prediction app that does not involve any money or real money on this app, which means you cannot link or transfer any funds that you have from the demo account.